previously in part 1, Delhi, Agra, Taj Mahal, and you also see us attempt to get a train to Jaipur. Good start!
As per usual, welcome to the Bad Hair Show. We pretty much just walked up the tower in Jaipur, walking down, see some cutaway videos here. Yeah, it's pretty good to be honest. We've got the composite ticket, which means we've got unlimited access to pretty much most of them. What about 10 of the attractions around here, including the fort, which is good. So it's 1,000 rupees, about £10. Pretty good. See, the steps aren't actually steps, they're just kind of slopey steps. And to show you how compact it is in here. And we're not even halfway down. Carry on. There we go. So they've got loads of zodiacs in here because this is the archaeological site. That's why they used to do a lot of studies for the stars and whatnot. I'm not clued up into that. But me and Dan are both Leos, and we've just found the Leo structure. There he is. It's quite nice here. Just walk into this weird structure here. Just a big hole in the ground, but
That's how you match star charts.
what do you say, Dan?
That's how you match star charts.
There you go.
Like constellations, you can see where the lines will intersect across the sky.
There you go. It's full of knowledge, this man. So we're in the Amber Fort. We've only just gone past the ticket admission place. Let's have a look. Yep, new t-shirt, about time. So we're in the Hawa Mahal today, the Wind Palace. Bit hot here. It has gone 3 o'clock. Bit of a late start. But look how pretty. So as a lot of you know, lounges are key to feeling fresh when you're on the travels, and the good thing is India now has lounges in its train stations, and they're quite good. I mean, we've paid about £6, £7, maybe even £8. That includes, I think, 4 hours worth being here, and food, drink, and whatnot. You can literally just turn up and do it. I'm currently in Jaipur. So these chairs are cheaper. Little bit less than what I paid. I paid for a private room. Chair with a plug and whatnot. Got a dining hall here. Food's not on at the moment, finishes at 5. It's currently 20 to 7. You've got fresh toilets at the back, shower that way, and takeaway in here. Literally just me and Dan in this lounge at the moment. It's in the corner chilling. It's got Wi-Fi. It's not the best. It comes and goes. Just get a SIM card. It's just easier. And it's air conditioned. So yeah, if you just turn up to a train station in India, let's have a look for the Indian rail transport. this, and yeah, just literally turn up, pay for however long you want to be here. We'll pay for 4 hours, and it was about 650 rupees each, which ain't bad. So let's get on that train. Right, so our train has arrived. This is it. 19 hours. 19 hours. Right, let's have a quick look. Toilet check this time. 2 locks, that's good. 1 here, 1 here. There's me. Hello. Never do that again. Window. Yeah. But the best thing is toilet seat covers and bog roll. So good one there, Toronto Express. Yep. The best thing is this one actually has. I mean, look, it's quite nice at first class. This one actually has a WC there to see if it's occupied. We are lucky because there are cabins of 2 and there's cabins of 4 berth. And there we go. Dan's not raining too well, bless him. And that does seem to be everything. If I pull this one, take me further along, and that is the restaurant, I think. Let's have a look. So after what seems like being trolled when they put the tables out about half an hour ago, food is here. So let's see what we've got. That's what I've got. Some paneer curry of sort, rice, veg, some weird potato soup curry thing, syrup balls, some sort of milk, I think, and some chapatis. Looks alright. Well, that's pretty much that done. The lovely man kept on asking us if we wanted chapatis the whole time. Literally, he just stuck his head in the door and just went, chapati, which just is now just a recurring thing between me and Dan. I think that's everything. Maybe ice cream, I don't know. We'll find out. So we're currently on this train here. You can see on my screen. Let's just have a look. So we're at the moment at Sawai Madhopur, which is stop 2. Done 131 miles already. Actually ahead of time when we got in, but it looks like we're going to be late now. But let's have a look at the map. So that's our route. And it seems to be these are all stations along the route. So we're at the moment there, which, yes, if we zoom out, you can see that we've gone up quite a way. We've gone along the old line, that's why it's probably really bumpy, and then we're on the better train line all the way down to Mumbai there. So hopefully we'll be on our way soon. So this is how difficult. Now for a bit of fun outside. Right, this is how difficult it is to climb up there. I'm pretty slender, so it shouldn't take me too long, but train's not moving, so that's a plus. Done. Chapati. We're not moving still. A lot of people have been outside with torches looking underneath the train. It's what you always want when you're in another country, when the train is bouncing around.
Ran something over.
Yeah.
Or someone.
Still, at least we're going to be sleeping on this train. Hey? Still ain't easy getting up there. So welcome to 18 hours of heaven. It's literally where I'm going to be sitting. Oh, we're moving now. Yay. AC is right there. Yeah, right there. I've got the thinnest quilt known to man. I've got a sheet that's a little bit thick, but I'm still just going to sleep in clothes. And I mean, I've got a plug there, which is good. Snacks if needed, and I have a torch, well, light, which is lovely. We're moving now. It's 8:30. 17 hours to go. So we got off the train yesterday, came to this hotel, bit of a sketchy entrance. Turns out it's in the red light district. Yeah, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. There is dust on top of the beds. The beds are full of bed bugs, full of ants. When we were going to sleep last night,
Got cigarette burns and
cigarette
burn as
burn,
well.
middle frame, on the duvet. The beds are very hard. It's supposed to be a deluxe room. The water comes out like it's dribbling from someone's mouth. And also, when we were going to sleep last night, we heard rats in the ceiling. And considering there's a big gaping hole, I'll show you that. It's not secure. Yeah, we're leaving this place 3 days early. So we're going to check out now, and I'll show you the dodgy entrance when we go. Take a quick photo, whatever of it, and the lift. And yeah, we're going to a hostel, which should be great. So let's go. This is, you're a bit claustrophobic in here. This is the sketchy entrance. Notice this. Yeah, so the entrance is back there. Upper first floor. I don't know what's cleaning our room or this. Careful to mind your head. You know what I mean? So here we are. It's a bit smelly. Might need subtitles for this. We're on our way. We're on our first train of 2. We've got our first class ticket. It's cost us £2. It's well ventilated. Pretty much it. So that's our first local train. Done. Now we've got to walk to the other station, which is just over there, and get our second train. So far, so good. And as Dan just pointed out, this is the Mumbai that we're expecting. High rises, relatively clean for India standards, to be fair. Well, apart from that. The last 24 hours has been a bit of an adventure, not gonna lie. But you wouldn't have thought that we're in the most populated city in the world, would you? And just have a look at this. So we've made it to Basti Hostel. Actually quite nice, very friendly people. And the best thing is about this place, AC fan, lockers, which is good. The other 2 beds up top, not being occupied. So at the moment, big private room. And also the best thing about this, I know it's a bit sad, but they've got a cleaning schedule, which means this is actually clean, unlike the last place. So let's see what's nearby. So this is our hotel last night, Hotel T24 Residency. It's very clean and fresh. I'm gonna go head to the roof now, so let's go there. So you can see it's got a nice outdoor pool, although no one's been in it all day. If we knew about it, we probably would have bought shorts. You can see you got a view of downtown Mumbai, or uptown Mumbai, I guess. We're quite far north. The airport is just the other side, somewhere over there. We'll check it out in a moment. So this is the area. Pretty much middle shot is the airport. Got Airport Road, metro there, metro line obviously. And yeah, loads of nice hotels around it. Let's sit down by the pool. So India has pluses and, well, it has pros and cons. Okay, it's cheap. It's quite easy to get here. The infrastructure is pretty good. Trains, buses, metros, taxis, Uber, and Ola, which is very similar to Uber. It's all very good. However, you really do have to be careful if you're a Western tourist. It's all right. I mean, I like it. It's nice and hot. I haven't actually seen a cloud since being here. I mean, it's simply lovely here. However, you always have this like underlying sense that something's going down. Whereas Dan got mugged and he's been beaten up, bruised. But apart from that, you know, this place is alright. Although I don't get the rubber rings on there, because it looks like they don't come off. India. But yeah, I'm just going to enjoy the last night here. So yeah, I'm just going to chill, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow morning when we get woken up. And then it's the long slog back home. Dan's looking a bit sore, but we've just been upgraded to business class.
Oh yeah.
So the legroom is somewhere else. I literally can't touch the end of it. Big screen TV, hook. I imagine this is where the tray comes out from. Sleeping mode, light, lumbar, up, down. Got a little cubby hold in here for where you get your noise cancelling headphones. Nice little goodie bag. Champagne. And very nice food is on the way. So there seems to be different modes for the chairs. Let's just focus on that. There we go. So, top here, we've got seat presets. Got seat recline, seat movement, massage mode, cushion firmness, pretty standard, gluten free, and all the presets for the lights, which is pretty sick. So here's the drinks. Yep. Right at the start there, water, carrot soup, some lovely hot bread. Just tuck in. Okay, so round two with a pasta. And dessert. Oh, yes. Yeah, so as you may know, it's been a bit of a bad holiday for Dan.
Very much.
Yeah. And we were kind of joking on the way back, oh, it'd be nice to try business class one day. So they've upgraded us for free. A bit of champagne. Hang on.
Leave me hanging.
There we go. So yeah, after a couple of crap hotels, a couple of really terrible hostels with bed bugs, it's nice champagne. We're going to make this last. We're going to enjoy ourselves.
Don't think I'll be going to sleep on this one.
No. Right, Dan. See you later.
Bye, guys.
What are you still doing here? Click on that. Subscribe. See you in the next video.